Tailscale or WireGuard? Which one is better? Stick to this video till the end in order to know the answer. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two powerful networking tools, Tailscale and WireGuard. So both Tailscale and WireGuard focus on enhancing security and privacy for your online activities. However, they cater to different needs and bring unique features to the table. Let's break it down. Tailscale is a VPN solution that's incredibly easy to use, built on the foundation of WireGuard's protocol. It streamlines the process of setting up secure networks by creating a peer-to-peer mesh VPN. Unlike traditional VPNs that rely on centralized servers, Tailscale connects your devices directly, enabling seamless communication across networks. Its zero configuration design makes it effortless to use even for non-technical users. Additionally, Tailscale includes features like access control, authentication options, and integration with identity providers, making it ideal for teams and organizations. WireGuard, on the other hand, is a cutting-edge open-source VPN protocol that prioritizes speed, simplicity, and performance. It's designed to establish secure, point-to-point connections between devices over the internet or local networks. WireGuard is widely recognized for its lightweight code base, delivering excellent performance without compromising security. This makes it an excellent choice for users who want to create their own custom VPN setups focused on privacy and efficiency. So to summarize, Tailscale is a perfect choice for individuals or teams looking for a user-friendly managed VPN service that simplifies device connectivity. Meanwhile, WireGuard is better suited for those who need a robust and efficient VPN protocol for building tailored solutions. Ultimately, the right choice will depend on your specific requirements for security, usability, and customization. Thank you for watching this comparison of Tailscale and WireGuard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. See you in the next video.